Hey there, I'm Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate. Have you ever considered building a new home instead of buying an existing one? Well, many homeowners today are choosing new construction for the major benefits of customization, energy efficiency, and warranty protection. So in this video, we're going to dive into why building a home might be the best decision for you. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information about Domaille Real Estate and new construction here in Southeast Minnesota. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty here in Rochester, Minnesota. If you've ever dreamed of designing a home exactly the way that you want, well, new construction might be your perfect solution. So let's break down the biggest benefits of building a home today. Customization is one of the biggest advantages of building a new home. Instead of settling for a house that was designed for somebody else's lifestyle, you get to choose everything from the floor plan to the finishes. You want an open concept kitchen or extra storage or maybe even a home office? Well, when you build, you get to tailor the space to fit your needs, ensuring that it works perfectly for your lifestyle. Now, energy efficiency in new homes is a game changer when it comes to long-term savings. Modern building materials, insulation, and energy efficient appliances can significantly lower your utility bills compared to some of those older resale homes. Features like high performance windows, energy efficient HVAC systems, and smart home technology not only reduce energy costs, but they also create a more comfortable and eco-friendly living space. Now, new home warranties in Minnesota provide peace of mind that older homes just simply can't match. Most new build homes come with builder-backed warranties that are going to cover everything from structural integrity to major systems like plumbing and electrical. Now, this is going to mean fewer unexpected repair costs and more confidence in your investment, which is a huge advantage for first-time buyers or anyone looking for low-maintenance homes. The upfront cost for new construction is obviously going to be a little bit higher than a resale home, but the savings happens over the next few years. So unlike older homes that may need a new roof, you might need to update windows, wiring, or plumbing, everything in a new home is brand new. So that means fewer surprises, lower upkeep costs, and more time to simply enjoy your home. So there you have it. If you'd like to know more about the benefits of building a new home, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our other videos, or put your comments and questions below because we'd love to hear from you. You can also hit the like button and follow us on all of our socials. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks so much for watching.